In this demonstration, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the fashion theme from ThemesBro. We'll then move on to installing WooCommerce, and then we'll tidy up the menus and whatnot, and we'll leave it in a position ready to start creating products, which I'll cover in the next video. As you can see, when the theme's installed, it doesn't really look like a fashion theme. We've got this default post here, which comes with the default installation of WordPress. So if we go to the dashboard, the first thing we want to do is get rid of that. So go to Posts, All Posts. There's the Hello World that's installed, and if we put it in the trash, we can then... Okay, so we got rid of that. Let's go back and we'll create a home page. So select all pages. There is a default sample page in here already, and we can make use of that. So let's just change this to home. We'll get rid of this default content and just put in something as a placeholder to remind us. Now, this is the important bit. In the templates section, down here on the right, we must select the home page template. And as soon as we've done that, we can update it and go and visit the site. Now, still no home page. What we need to do next is go to Settings and Reading. Now, once we've done that, we need to select that the front page displays a static page. So check that and then drop this and select Home. So what we're saying, we're telling WordPress to use a static front page display and to use the home page template for that. So as soon as we've done that, we can save the changes. Now when we go back and visit the site, now this is beginning to look like a fashion theme. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to install WooCommerce. Now to do that, you will go to plugins. I always go to installed plugins just to check. Now you'll see that mine appears here already. That's because I'm running this on a local server, and I had to install it using the file system. But the way you would do it on a live server is to click Add New. You will then choose Upload and Browse. Now browse to your desktop or whatever you've downloaded WooCommerce plugin to, and from then you will upload, click on Install Now, and you will then find yourself back to the position I'm in now. So all you need to do to install WooCommerce is just to click on the Activate button. It's going to whir and clank for a little bit, as you can see, and there we go. You'll see that this Activate link here in the WooCommerce plugin section has changed to Deactivate, and the important bit is at the top here. You'll see a message that welcomes you to WooCommerce, and there's a link here, a button to click to install the WooCommerce pages. Now those pages are already built into the fashion theme, and if we just click on that button, we get a welcome message again that it's all been sorted out. Now if we go back and look at the site now, you'll see My Account, Logout, and the shopping cart. Now the next thing we need to do is these links here for My Account, Logout, and shopping cart are all built into the fashion theme. We've also got some links here on the main menu which really we don't need, because we need the shop obviously, but we don't need My Account and we don't need the shopping cart because these links are already at the top here. So let's just go to menus. we'll see that the menu, menu 1, has already been created here. This is the what we need to edit. This is what we're seeing on the home page. So we can take my account and get rid of that. So just remove it. We can get rid of the second home button, and we can get rid of the shopping cart. Now I would suggest that we change the order to bring the shop ahead of checkout, and at that point we can create the menu and just go to manage locations and just make sure that the main menu is actually showing menu 1. We can save those changes, and then when we go back and visit the website, we've got home, shop, checkout. We've got my account and the shopping cart links at the top, and we're ready to go on to the next stage. So thank you very much indeed for listening.